Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. If you no longer require your Facebook account and want to delete it, you can do so by following this step-by-step guide. First of all, make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account on a browser, and then you need to head over to these three lines from the top right side of your screen. In here, scroll all the way to the bottom, and above logout you will be able to see that we have settings and privacy. Click on that and click on settings. In here under account you can see personal and account information. Click on that. Click on account ownership and control. Here you have deactivation and deletion option. Click on that. Finally, here you will be able to see that we have two options, either to deactivate your account or delete your account. We are going to be selecting delete account and click on continue account deletion. This will permanently delete your account and your content will no longer be available to other users. I hope this video was helpful and you learned something new. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.